There's 1080 frames a second. I mean 1080p, 60 frames per second. Gotta see how much different this is compared to the 4K 2160p. It's raining. Kind of downpour. I guess I like 60 frames per second. Just wish they had 60 frames per second in 4K or 1440.
Message from Belle.
Bubba wants to come outside. Hey, Bubba. Come on out, buddy. Oh, it's raining? You can't go poopy. You can't go poopy? Aw. I told you to come out on the carport, Bubba, and go poopy. I'm sorry, boy. Is it raining, Bubba? You say hi to mommy on the phone? Say hi, mama. Dante had some Applebee's with daddy. Right, Bubba? Bubba, did you have Applebee's? Oh, there's my boy. I'm sorry, Bubba. You can't go poopy. It's okay, Bubs. Is it raining? You don't want to go for a bath? No bath? Oh, Daddy loves you. You give me a paw.